So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this new, very trendy and popular type of Instagram profile picture when it's basically just a simple headshot of you and also a background color. Very, very simple to do. Let's get into my computer and I'm gonna show you how to do it.
So I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing these kind of profile pictures for a while, especially in the creative niche. So what I mean is when you have a portrait of yourself and maybe it's desaturated and also a colored background. So a lot of creatives and a lot of people use these kind of colorful and very eye-catching profile pictures. So I thought I would show you how you can create yours. It's really, really simple. I'm gonna show you the quickest way to this. So first of all, you're going to go to remove.bg/upload. You can also find it in the description, and you're gonna need a portrait of yourself. The more contrast your body has with the background, the better it is. So you can see, for example, this picture was taken in the winter, so you can see a huge contrast between me and the background. So all you need, and you can also, just take a picture next to a wall or in front of a wall, and yeah, just make sure you have good contrast. So all you have to do is drag and drop it to this website. And boom, just like that, in 3 seconds, it's already cut out for you, so you don't have to do the masking manually in Photoshop. So then you can click, on download, or you can also get the full resolution if you pay for it. Now, in this way, you're only gonna get 500 × 500 resolution, but that's fine for a profile picture. So the next thing you gotta do is open Photoshop or your choice of photo editor. You just need to make sure it has a layering system and create a project that's going to be 1000 × 1000 pixels. Now, Instagram only lets you use 110 × 110 pixels, but it's better, in my opinion, to create the project itself in 1000 by 1000, because then you will be able to zoom inside Instagram when you upload your picture. So as you can see, I have my picture here. Just drag and drop it, and I'm gonna scale it up a little bit, and just like that. Cool. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add another layer and add a color to the background. So in this case, I'm gonna make it yellow to make it pop very well. And you can already just leave it like this if you want to, if you don't want to do anything with it. But what I also like to do is to make your picture desaturated, like you saw in some of the examples I showed you. So all you have to do is go to the adjustments, hue saturation, put down the saturation, right click on this thing, and create clipping mask. And then your body is going to be desaturated and the background is going to be the color you selected. And if you want to be real fancy, you can also go to and add the drop shadow to it to make it look a little bit more creative, or outer glow and stuff like that. So yeah, really up to you. It's up to your style and preferences, but this is how easy it is. So now at this point you can add more elements to the background, or add different kind of layers or shapes or whatever you want. But this is how easy it is literally to create.
So I really hope that this video was useful for you and you found it helpful. If it was, then please make sure to give it a like first of all, comment something down below for the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I create tutorials, I create videos about entrepreneurship, social media, and also how to build a content agency. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.